Welcome to Anna's Planet.
Yep.
Welcome to Anna's Planet. Today I have some awesome things to show you. I'm so excited. Welcome to Anna's Planet. I keep forgetting it.
That's okay. Love excitement. You gotta get. You were so happy before.
Today I have some awesome things to show you, and I'm so excited. First thing, Pa.
Do it.
It's a Marshall pillow. Next toy, Pa. It's a Build-aBear WorkShop.
Yay! Want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stuffing. And here it is. Let's take it out.
Does it need batteries?
No,
You sure?
I think.
Yeah. And then
First you put the stuffing in. Okay, I've seen them do this before. Wow, can you put this?
yeah. Oh yeah. His belly's getting bigger. See? Wait a second. Wait, let me see if I can help it go up to his head. Do it. Oh yeah. His belly's getting bigger. See?
And now we got it filled with stuffing. We're gonna put the heart in. And our bear is all finished. But first we gotta put this shirt on.
Close. Right. He used to look like this. Flat.
He used to look like this.